Are you ready for an adventure? Welcome, adventurers, to the realm of Bravestone Quest, where the journey commences and bravery knows no bounds. This is not just a quest, but a voyage into the uncharted, a venture into the unknown, a leap into the extraordinary. Bravestone Quest is more than just a name, it's a mission to ignite the spark of courage that resides within each of us. We believe that each one of us carries an adventurer within, waiting to be awakened, waiting to embark on a journey of discovery, exploration, and inspiration. Our quest is not for the faint-hearted. It's for those who dare to venture beyond the ordinary, those who seek the thrill of the unknown, those who long for a journey that will transform them. It's for you, the brave-hearted, the explorers, the dreamers. So what does Bravestone Quest have in store for you? Expect thrilling expeditions that will take your breath away. Expect captivating stories that will inspire you to reach new heights. Expect insightful wisdom that will guide you on your own heroic journey. But remember, adventurers, this journey is not one to be undertaken alone. We're a community, a fellowship of brave souls ready to face the challenges that lie ahead, ready to unlock the mysteries of our world, ready to unleash the hero within. And you, dear adventurer, are cordially invited to become an official member of this courageous community. How, you ask? Simply hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated on all our latest quests and discoveries. And if you're feeling particularly brave today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up to show your support for bravery. Together, we'll conquer challenges, unravel mysteries, and awaken the hero that lies dormant within us. So, gather your gear, brace yourself for the unknown, and let's embark on the Bravestone Quest together. Adventure awaits, my friends. Are you ready to answer the call? Welcome to Dubai, a realm where luxury is the norm and opulence breathes at every corner. Dubai, a city of dreams, a city where the impossible becomes possible. A place where the word ordinary is simply non-existent. The city's luxurious hotels are a testament to that. They are more than just places to rest your head. They are architectural wonders, designed to leave you in awe at every turn. From the iconic Burj Al Arab, known for its sail-like structure and unparalleled level of service, to the Atlantis, a stunning aquatic-themed resort that promises an experience like no other, Dubai's hotels are a world of their own. Beyond the hotels, the city's high-end shopping centers are a haven for those seeking the finer things in life. Mall of the Emirates, Dubai Mall, and many others house a plethora of luxury brands, offering everything from haute couture to high-end electronics. These malls are not just about shopping, they are a complete experience with gourmet dining, world-class entertainment, and more. Dubai's architecture is nothing short of stunning. The city's skyline is punctuated with towering structures that defy gravity and push the boundaries of human ingenuity. The Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, stands as a testament to the city's architectural prowess. Every building, every structure in Dubai is a marvel of modern design and innovation. The city's world-class restaurants serve up a gastronomic journey that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. From Michelin-starred establishments to hidden culinary gems, Dubai's food scene is a melting pot of flavors from around the world. And when the sun goes down, the city's glamorous nightclubs come alive, offering an electrifying nightlife experience that is second to none. Dubai's pristine beaches offer a respite from the city's hustle and bustle. The soft white sand, crystal-clear waters, and breathtaking views create a serene oasis where you can unwind and soak up the sun. Dubai offers an unforgettable experience to its visitors. So get ready to indulge in the lavishness of this city and explore the opulent soul of Dubai. In Dubai, towering structures are just the beginning. This cityscape is more than just a collection of impressive high-rises. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a testament to the power of vision. But to truly understand Dubai, we must look beyond its iconic skyscrapers. We need to delve into the heart of its architectural wonders, the stories etched into the very steel and glass that shape the skyline. The Palm Jumeirah, for instance, is an awe-inspiring feat of engineering. This man-made island shaped like a palm tree is a testament to Dubai's limitless ambition. It's not just an island, it's a symbol of how far human determination can go when coupled with technological advancements. Then, there's the Dubai frame. This architectural marvel, which is literally a giant picture frame, offers a unique perspective of the city. It encapsulates the old and the new, the past and the future, the humble beginnings and the dazzling growth. A single glance through the frame tells 1,000 tales of this city's journey. Dubai's architectural wonders don't stop there. The Museum of the Future, with its unique torus shape and intricate Arabic calligraphy embedded into the exterior, is a beacon of innovation. It's a place where the boundaries of imagination are pushed, where the future is not just predicted, but created. And let's not forget the beauty of the traditional wind towers in the Al Fahidi Historic District. These towers, which predate the skyscrapers by centuries, are a testament to the ingenious methods used by the Emiratis to survive in the harsh desert climate. These structures, each unique and fascinating in their own right, go beyond mere aesthetics. They are symbols of Dubai's relentless pursuit of progress, its capacity to dream big and make those dreams a reality. They embody the spirit of innovation and the will to transform challenges into opportunities. So, as we marvel at Dubai's skyline, let's remember that behind each structure, there's a story of ambition, a story of vision. Each structure is a testament to human ingenuity, a testament to the power of dreaming big and daring to make those dreams come true. Each structure tells a story of ambition and vision, a testament to human ingenuity. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Isn't this so true, adventurers? Every great journey, every memorable adventure, it all starts with a decision, a choice to step out of your comfort zone, to venture into the unknown and discover the extraordinary. It begins with that one small yet significant step towards exploration and discovery. Think about it. The most courageous explorers, the most daring adventurers, they all had to start somewhere. They all had to take that first step. Their journeys weren't built on leaps and bounds, but on small, consistent steps forward. Look at Dubai. The city of gold didn't just spring up overnight. It was born of a dream, a vision of grandeur and opulence. And then, step by step, skyscraper by skyscraper, it transformed into the dazzling city it is today. And so, just like Dubai, your journey too begins with a single step. It's about making that decision to explore, to venture out and to see what lies beyond the skyscrapers. It's about taking that first step towards your own adventure. Remember, it's not about the destination. It's about the journey. It's about the thrill of exploration, the excitement of discovery, the joy of experiencing something new and different. It's about embracing the unknown, facing challenges head-on, and finding the courage to keep going, no matter what. Yes, the journey may be long. Yes, it may be filled with challenges. But remember, every step you take, every challenge you overcome, it all contributes to your growth, to your development, to your journey. So what are you waiting for, adventurers? The city of gold awaits. The opulent soul of Dubai is ready to be explored. It's time to take that first step. It's time to embark on your own adventure. And remember, you're not alone. We're here with you, every step of the way. So grab your gear, brace yourself for the unknown, and embark on the Bravestone quest. Every adventure is a chance to discover the hero within. Imagine embarking on a journey, not knowing what lies ahead. It's a path filled with unknowns, yet it's the allure of discovery that propels you forward. This is the essence of the hero's journey. It's a voyage of transformation, a quest to find the extraordinary within the ordinary, the brave within the timid. It's not about becoming someone else, but rather unveiling that part of you that's ready to face the challenges, the part that's eager to rise above the ordinary. The hero within isn't a mythical figure with superhuman powers. No, the hero within is you, with your unique strengths and vulnerabilities, your dreams and fears. Courage, my friends, is the lifeblood of this journey. It's not about being fearless, but about confronting fear and moving forward despite it. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, daring to venture into the unknown, embracing the uncertainty that comes with it. This journey, however, is far from solitary. Each of us is part of a grand adventure, a collective quest. We're all explorers, each finding our own path, yet connected by the shared experience of discovery and transformation. Together, we create a tapestry of courage and resilience, etched with stories of triumph over adversity. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow, every obstacle a stepping stone towards becoming the hero within. It's not about the destination, but the journey and the lessons learned along the way. It's about the moments of doubt and the bursts of courage, the falls and the rise, the fear and the bravery. So as you navigate your own hero's journey, remember that bravery isn't a trait reserved for the chosen few. It's a choice, a decision to face the unknown, to persevere despite the odds. It's a flame within that, once kindled, can light the way towards the most rewarding adventures. Together, we'll conquer challenges, unlock mysteries, and unleash the hero within. Until our next adventure, keep the flame of courage burning. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you've felt the thrill of this adventure, if you've caught a glimpse of the hero within and yearn to explore further, we invite you to continue this journey with us. Don't just be a spectator, become an active participant in the grand adventure that awaits. How, you ask? Simply subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This way you'll never miss an update from Bravestone Quest. It's more than just a subscription. It's your ticket to be part of a community of adventurers, a band of explorers, each seeking their own path, yet bound by the shared experience of discovery and transformation. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, adventurers. Remember, the flame of courage burns brightest when shared, so don't keep this adventure to yourself. Share it with others, invite them to join the quest, and together we'll conquer challenges, unlock mysteries, and unleash the hero within. And now it's time to say goodbye. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with Bravestone Quest as much as we've enjoyed guiding you through it. Every moment, every scene, every challenge faced and conquered has been a testament to the indomitable spirit of adventure that resides within us all. Remember, every adventure is a chance to discover the hero within, to push beyond the boundaries of the known and explore the vast expanse of the unknown. Goodbye, adventurers. Keep the flame of courage burning. And as you venture forth into the world, remember the lessons you've learned, the experiences you've shared, and the community you've found. Until our paths cross again, keep exploring, keep discovering, and above all, keep the spirit of adventure alive.